right. Well, that's what I get for trying to reinvent the wheel here. All right. Didn't I see? I did. I even I liked it, buddy. Yeah, they're still broken. So, well, at least those are perfect. All right. I think I just messed up my little. Oh, I see. I see. I see. I see what happened there. Yeah. Yeah, it had something to do with. Yeah, I see what's going on now. So we'll go. Yeah. Serves me right. Yeah, I had a different image point. That was it. Yeah, I can fix it after because these aren't even the ones I'm going to be using, right? Who's the tiny gray guy in the icon? This guy? You mean the unfriendly ghost? Is there a type of fighter you don't have yet that you want? I'd like a fast one. We have someone making a dinosaur. Because I think on Friday I'm keying up, so I want all the fighters to have like different breakpoints and speed animations and attacks. Some dinosaurs are fast. That's true. There we go. So I got it. Ooh. There we go. Something fast. Blobo is yeah. Your pickaxe, yours is actually pretty challenging to be honest. Because of his height, he's hard to telegraph. Something fast, a ghost escape, yeah. So yeah, I still have to figure out why the matches are not resetting as per normal. But that's okay. Battle Royale, consider it done, my friend. I kind of like the mask system because the way I wanted it to work is that you click the mask your guy would be wearing. She's kind of lean. I like it. All right, Battle Royale, consider it done. Do you need more fighters? Always need new fighters. The due date is Saturday. I made a template in the Discord if you guys need it. All right, so I think we have. I'm trying to think what else should we try to implement the mask system. I really want to be able to choose the masks, but I feel like they're more gimmicky and more of an issue than anything. Like they're more of a nice to have. Because the way I wanted it is like if you click on the outline of it, like you'd be able to see like right here, you see the outline of it. But I feel like it's more gimmicky than anything. What are your thoughts on it? Could we make a mask of the game, please? I don't know if I can even put in the mask because I feel like it's pretty broken. I'll go check it out then. Is there any constraints for the fighter? As long as it's appropriate, like nothing really gory or Why am I able to hit over there? Hold on here. Oh, okay, that's a bug I gotta learn. Yo, I gotta fix that. I just noticed that. When you fight the ghost. That is weird. Skip the mask, post and other stuff. What type of stuff, Pet? Vault, why is the Rosie 42 palette so suited to candy and other bright pastel things? Magic. Just magic. I don't understand what the mask thing is. It's more of a what I originally envisioned it, Minsky, is that every time you defeated an enemy, you'd get a custom mask, right? So it would be I'd make a mask based on your OC. But I feel like there are more important things. Like the UI is still garbage right now. So if I did do the mask system, I think Friday is the best time to do it. Maybe instead of mask hats, it's the same thing. It's just the system. It doesn't work well for the mushrooms. I get it. All right. So what I'll probably do is let's focus on. Let's get rid of this guy here. There we go. Yeah, okay. I wanted it to be an empty stadium. We have that. I think we're good. Like, we don't need to get crazy on this, right? I wouldn't wear any of it anyway. Yeah, exactly, right? So it's like, I don't know. It's a nice to have, not a need to have. I think that time could be better spent building the UI. I'm gonna make this look a little nicer too when I figure out what fonts I want. Yeah, it might block the view, so it wouldn't be. Yeah, exactly. You know, if we keep adding like heroes, it'd be nice to have more here, but I don't know. Maybe I'll fix another one, or is it just one per person? Ideally right now one per person, yeah, just because I want to make it fair. All right. Okay, so let's move on. So here's the issue I have now. So when you're actually in the match, I wanted there to be. There we go. Let's just get rid of this here right now. I want to say ready, like ready, set, fight, round one or whatnot. I also want there to be a little bit of housing here. We got rid of the hit point system, so we don't really need the health bar anymore. Only Y-Vault has two? Guys, don't you blame me. One is I'm supposed to make a tutorial area today, too. I was going to put our boy in. So, ideally, what I wanted to do, I wanted to do a tutorial system. And let me, let me just show you. It's easier. I was playing around with this all day. Not all day yesterday, but a nice chunk of yesterday. Yeah, it was training section. There we go. I tried to do like a training sequence in here. Let's see here we got. Ba, 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 da, da, da. But what I wanted was make sure I got this right now. Hold on here. Yeah, we'll make this all billboards. Yeah, so what I wanted to do, and you could see the issue immediately, right? Like I wanted to do it where it would be, yeah, like you'd be fighting at a giant cage for the tutorial. But Construct was like, I don't want you to do that. So that's what happened. I wanted, because then I even thought of like, well, what if I did like 1-in-1, like a system like this in a weird way? Yeah, it's that spin again. Yeah, the only reason we have the spin on right now, hold on. Tutorial would be nice, or maybe a thing that shows the controls. Yeah, that's what the way I wanted. I wanted to have like a little tutorial on like, so that's where you'd meet the Sandbag Sandy. Like he'd be explaining a little bit of the story. But I wanted a cage match because I hate myself apparently. But yeah, so this training area I've deleted for now. But I'll probably rebuild it after. Construct. No, stop. Yeah, exactly what it feels like. So if I wanted it, so the way I wanted this to feel like, it would be. There we go. So you'll click on this, and it'll be like a basement, instead of the actual arena, and you'll be fighting the sandbag guy, and he'll basically explain to you what you have to do. I want to make a color palette myself. Some points, just haven't had the time as of recent. Probably going to be at the end. Why not, man? Maybe because the system is yeah, it's brand new, guys. It's like brand new. Okay. Okay, how about we finish the UI first and then I'll do the tutorial. I'm getting a little ahead of myself because of excitement here. Okay, so I want there to be a housing that looks like a bunching glove. And then I want there to be a little like a little thing that pops up that says like on the edge. So when you know they're on like I also feel like this housing needs something better as well. So let's all right. Might as well we'll use this lovelies first here. But yeah, I want a little housing with the name and all that. The theme. Yeah, on the theme. We gotta yeah. We gotta keep with the theme. I can't just make a game and it has nothing to do with the theme. Because then Vimlark could be like, you're disqualified from everything. You'll never be a game developer. You know what I mean? Square root, yo! Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, can we please get some shrugs for our subs? How are you, my friend? That's so Vimlark. That's Vimlark for you, though, right? Vim Jam, so it has to run in. Yeah, it has to run in Vim. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna make Vimlark a the ref for it. So I think he'll like that. Because I already have a Vimlark. Hold on here. I already have the Vimlark game. Remember? Unless I deleted it, which I really gotta stop doing those type of things. Because I got all my Reaper Repeat stuff here. All right, well, this is embarrassing. All right, so what? All right, well, I'll probably just pull it up later. But yeah, so anyways, I had something for the Vimlark. I made it like a cute little chibi version of him, so I thought I would just make that into a ref. You delete games? I sometimes delete. Yeah, I'm really. If I get really frustrated, Minsky, did you delete Reaper Repeat? It should still be saved somewhere. Yeah. Plus, Vimlark has Reaper Repeat on his file. Vault format C every weekend. I got to, eh? What? Vimlark, how does this apply to the theme Vault? Okay, listen. There's an animation called Edge, and you fall off the edge exactly. Please stretch Vault. You know what, Whitey? Let's do it. Let's do it. Thank you very much for the stretch. You will delete me once. I'll never delete you, Evil. Thank you very much for the stretch. But I remember I made the Vimlark little sprite for it, and I know he used it. I thought I had it still, but yeah, I'll just have to look for it later, I guess. But yeah, so anyways, I was gonna have just like Vimlark as a little sprite for it. I'm not your friend anymore. No, so I posted something in Discord. Let me check it out. Let me check it out in a second, buddy. I gotta format everything. Yo, Whiteball streaming? Yeah, Noble, what's up, buddy? How are you doing today? All right, I thought I did, yeah, but yeah, because I think we had because he wanted to make it a sprite, right? Like he wanted to. I think what was it? It was like because he wanted like a sad looking one as well. I remember for his little. Because I know he's got Reaper Repeat, but he sent me a file of Reaper Repeat as well, so it's like I think we're golden. Yeah, because I have this one, which is a little too big though. So, but that was the one I was going to be based on. There we go. All part of my master plan. Yeah, yeah. Never mind. Don't stretch it that way. But yeah, I'm good. Been a little busy this morning, supervising this, testing that. Really, what are you working on? It's so weird to be home this early. We're glad you are, Spider. We missed you. You were supposed to do UI. Thank you very much, Minsk. See? Thank you. All right. We're not doing the ref. We're doing the UI. All right? God. All right. That smile got me. Yeah. All right. So what I wanted to do is I wanted like a little like housing that has the name in there. I think the main color we have is red, right? Red and blue. Chibi Vimlark? Yeah, I did a Vimlark. So I did a game for Vim Jam. No, sorry, for Vimlark's birthday. I did a whole little. I did all the programming, and then people helped out with some like fan art. Vimlark. It was a cute little platform. It's actually was. I don't know. I thought it was a good game. Ba, 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 ba. There we go. Some nice little housing like that. You know what I mean? When an artist in your community offered to do some turnaround references art for Alone and Vita, so I've been yeah, that's huge. That's great. I've tried to do a turn for Captain Carrot, and it looks kind of weird in certain perspectives. I'm fine if you see a yellow drawing. Oh, no, I can see it now, buddy. I can do it now. Yeah, Lemon. One of the hard things for me right now is not thinking about Captain Carrot in 3D. I think that's the City Fan. Liking this. I think you may want to make the eyes a little darker, though, buddy. I think that's my only suggestion to you. They're hard to see. Kind of sad I didn't participate in the Vim birthday. That's okay, buddy. That just means next year. Turnarounds are hard, and Evil did a turnaround for his character, and honestly, a straight flex. All right, so we do this. I have this nice feel to it. Thanks for everything, Whiteville. You truly are an awesome member of my server. Don Paper Helmet, I'm just happy to just be able to witness all your success, buddy. You know, that's all. All right, because what I wanted to do is like have this as a boxing glove. Birthday is every year, exactly. Aside from mine, though, I only have it once every. No, I'm kidding. Because I wanted to do like a housing, but I wanted it to be in a boxing glove. Because, yeah, I guess the housing we already have is pretty good. It's supposed to fit up here, anyways. So it's supposed to have the name. Yeah, that's what we'll do here. So we have the name up here. Yeah, we'll do that then. And we'll use the same thing I had before, which is the poster. I really did like this color. I don't know. What are your guys' thoughts on it? Like, I really, really like it. I was trying to go for like olden days boxing. All right, what do we got here? Why do I have too many things open? There we go. My server and my Twitter and Twitch. There you go, buddy. I'm just happy to help you out, buddy. Yeah, I really like the style of it. And I think it stands in really well, too, if we just keep it that way. Yeah, I wanted like that classic boxing poster, right? I don't often use this deep of browns or this. I want to say like chocolates. I don't know what tone this is, but all right. All right, we just do this up a little darker. Let's hue shift it. It's really cool. Yeah, no, not evil, noble. If they're willing to do a turnaround, like honestly, that's huge. That's huge. But yeah, I don't know. Captain Carrot 3D. I don't know, man. I'm trying not to think about it. I'm trying not to think. It's like just the new shiny. You know what I mean? I shouldn't let it take over everything. But it's hard. It's like learning something new. All right, so we have the name at the. Okay, we have the name. All right. Captain Carrot 3D. So you're gonna do some Blender? I would like to learn some Blender. I'm gonna make fun of the construct. I'm gonna send them like a tweet. I'm like, hey guys, I like your 3D, but I'm having a hard time uploading my Blender models into Construct 3. Is this a bug? And see if they respond. He's gonna do 2.5D. Yeah. There's actually some. I read the forums. They apparently are trying to make it so you can use you will be able to use Blender files into Construct. There's certain ways to do it now, but it's like really janky, guys, and it crashes. So I'm more just like impressed that they're trying to do it. What kind of boxes do you still need? It's up to you guys. It's mainly your OCs, your original characters. I like just having a group of like different looking eclectic characters. Like we have a floating head, we have like robots, you know. You just do with what you like and I'm going to implement it. All I ask is that you keep the boxing gloves white, and if you want, you can use Rosie 32, which is my favorite color palette, just to make sure it looks all the same. But the rest is up to you. It's like, you know what I mean. I like more creative the better, right? Oh yeah, we're not even close to Saturday. More boxers incoming. I've already got there's 3 people that sent me theirs last night. I'm not going to implement boxers on stream because it's very meticulous and I got to triple check everything. I was going to do an old OC I made a while ago, but decided to do fungi. Well, not. Whoa, 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 whoa. Walter, you want 3D, then learn Godot. Exactly, exactly. All right, do I do the boxing glove? I should do it. Because I wanted like an on the edge. All right, so hold on here. Ooh, did I close it? No, I didn't. Yes. Yeah, so the image I see is that when they're close to on the edge, I'm going to have a visual indicator that says on the edge. I mean, that's fine. But if you need a coverage, I can make something to cover the spread. Oh, if you want to do a flying character or like a small character, because I feel like a lot of our characters already are pretty tall and pretty big and towering beings. So it would be neat to have like a one that's like medium sized even. I want to make a platformer, and I have no idea what could be about, but no jam though. Yeah, well, nothing wrong with that. What type of platformers do you like? Just make a game that you like, right? You'd be surprised the amount of people that really like the same type of games you like. Check Discord, of course, my friend. Where is it? I'm actually, without trying to, maybe I'm gonna jinx myself, but I was really impressed at how quickly this has gone so far. Yo, that is a fighter, guys. When's he added? When's he added? All right, that's a fighter. Yo, all right, okay, bit of a flex. Oh yeah, sorry. Let me. There we go. Here we go. Let me. Yeah, that is cool. Can I? There we go. There we go. Look at that, eh? It's the crocodile gloves that I like the most. If you make a game that you like, it's certain. It is certain that there'll be many people. Yeah, exactly, yeah, Minsky. Like 100%. Like the one game that I was most like not ashamed of, but the one thing I was really surprised people's interest in was General, to be honest, right? Because General is the type of game I like. Like I would love if someone made like a game like Moonlighter, right? But then every time you come to the town, it's also a city builder. Like for me, that's such a cool idea because I really like city builders and all that type of stuff. And I don't know, crocodile gloves. That's a flex. That's a flex. All right, so we'll say on the edge. The Sims, yeah, kind of the Sims type of thing. But I also like games like Stellaris and all that. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, and Dwarf Fortress. Like, Yeah, I don't know. I need to like cooler games. But they're fun. Like, I don't know. If someone made, like I said, it like a Mass Effect meets Dwarf Fortress, all right? The idea I have is I would like to make a game like that one day, but that's after General and Captain Carrot when I have like I'm in a small. For those who don't know, that is the plan. So after Captain Carrot and General, I want to apply for a small business loan and start an actual studio and make that type of thing. But I don't want to get ahead of myself. I still have a lot to learn about game design. All right, maybe I'll just write on the edge. There we go. That's the name. That's the theme, right? On the edge, right? I'm not crazy. You gotta learn. Gotta learn to program quickly. Then exactly, evil. But that's the dream, right? Like I'd rather try to do that and fail miserably than not even trying. You know what I mean? So. It's like, yeah, it's on the edge, right? It's on the edge, yeah. On the edge. I feel like, yeah, we'll just go with this font. I think it's probably for the best here. And then we'll just lengthen it a little bit. There we go. Ba 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 ba. I'll probably start a studio when I move back to my home city. It's a good idea, especially in Finland. In a couple of years, yeah, you want to pace yourself. Plus, yeah, there's no rush, buddy. I'd rather learn. See, I've seen so many cautionary tales, so I'm not just gonna rush into it, right? Thank you very much for the follow, Big Man Cloudy Live. How are you? Are you a game dev? Are you a pixel artist? Are you in the Vim Jam? All right. I just don't want Whitefall Studios to be on that death of a game. Just not my thing. I am a game dev. Yo, what are you? You doing the jam at all or no? I really wanted to do Vim Jam, but I had an exam. Ew. Did you not tell them that you're a game dev? Normally you just tell you like professor. Education comes and goes, but Vim Jam is forever. I wish it were that easy. I know, buddy. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. All right, what do we got here? So, okay, we're gonna do this. Wow. There we go. All right, on the edge. So the way I want this to work is I want it to like originally it was going to be bigger and popping out here, but I think even having it pop out here would be interesting. You know what I mean? Like if I just go like on the edge, like popping out here, but then it should probably be a different color though. Yeah, because I feel like it needs to stand out more. Vault is a mushroom boxer. A vault is a vulture boxer with a six pack. Okay, yeah, it is, buddy. Yeah, as long as the hands are there, it needs to have boxing gloves. That's the only thing it has. It needs to be those boxing gloves, so the players know what to look up. Because the point of the game is that they're going to be playing these NPCs and learning their mechanics, right? So you're learning to defeat them. Yeah, because I feel like if we're gonna have it behind, right? I feel yeah, it needs to be a better color. I think it needs to also well, that's gonna be in the housing, so I guess that's not really required, right? But what engine are you using, by the way? I'm using Construct 3. Let me show you my game, Big Man Clouding. Let's go to the main menu. But yeah, it's a 2.5D boxing game. And I did some fan art, posted it. Okay, fan art. Yo, I do like me some fan art. Ooh, you got my longing eyes. I like it. Will I be able to see those loan changes? Yeah. What would you like to see there, Noble? Let me check it out. If I go like this, look at that ease, Noble. Look at that ease, and even has the name showing up at the bottom, guys. Dun 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 dun. Look at that. Look, notice how he hit. Okay, yeah. Still, your boy. I'm still working on your boy. All right. Oh, it's because I did the yeah. I haven't. I had because I added new fighters. I haven't fixed your guy 100% yet. Yeah, I see. It's the mask that's clipping through things, right? So that's why I'm thinking of getting rid of the mask. Because if we get rid of the mask, for example, and let us fix Evil's character. Hold on, or Noble's. Let me see here. Animation. So anything prior to 2, 3 is a little off though. Hold on here. So we go. Let's go punch. Yeah, your hit frame is 7 now. So oh, did I add a ping pong? Yeah, I added a ping pong. So yeah, so it was yeah. There we go. I think that was the issue here. So we go like this, and now it should work a little nice. Yeah. So the way I did it. My kart racing game. Yeah, so Noble, the way that how I fixed it. Let me show you. So I had all the animations basically. Yours is the only one that has more than 3 hit points, right? So the way I did it was so I have your fighter ID, your name, your hit frame, your block duration. So there we go. Cool game, but how is it related to the theme? So the object of the game is to get the person on the edge. So you're a series of bosses, and you need to get them on the edge, and then you got to kick them off the arena. One question: when it comes to the portrait, should I go with the fake mug or the eye shot? That's up to you. So there we go. We got the block. We got the hit. Punch. See that? We got block. 1, 2. Avoid the punch. Now you're blocking. 1, 2, 3. All right. We want to get them on the edge. There we go. So now, right now, they're on the edge. So eventually what I'm going to do is when they're on the edge, they're going to immediately go to a punch. But they're on the edge right now. Yeah, so yeah, it's more of like a sumo wrestling. So when you punch them off the edge, they fall off. They do this little punch thing right now. Something I'm going to be working on later. Oh, that's the knockout animation, not the edge animation. Yeah, you still got to switch things around, Noble. The problem is some people's characters have gotten like the knockouts and the edge ones have been flipped around a lot. So I'm gonna have to. I think Friday will be the day I have to unify everything. I just want to get everyone's fighter in there and making sure they work right. Then it'll be polish. But yeah, but I'm very happy about it. To be honest, yeah. So then we have the names out here. You click on this, and the same thing. But they're all gonna have the same cycle. If I have more time, I would like to unlock a certain boss or anything, but I don't want to get too crazy. But yeah, Construct basically just added this 3D camera a couple days ago, and I wanted to kind of see what it's about. But yeah, so that's where we're at right now. But what we're working on right now is actually the HUD to kind of illustrate that on the edge. I thought the edge was when the character is flying. It was supposed to be, but on my on my testing purposes, it looked a little odd, Minsky. So I'm still trying to get that look and that feel. That's it. It's still a little bit of polish. Like I got to figure out which animation I want. Things are looking great. Thanks, man. I'm pretty new to game dev. Why do you think I should do the? If you want in a limited time, I didn't mind it. I think a lot of people follow the stream from that. But yeah, the edge, to clarify, is just kind of teetering there before the knockout. Yeah. Well, so what they're supposed to do is eventually they're going to be teetering and then punch you back. That's the thing they're doing. So they're off a little bit yesterday because I was testing yesterday as well to try to get that arc working. Because I'm not basically so this arc you're gonna see it took me way too long to do because Construct 3 doesn't do Z axles and anything. So everything you see, I did myself. Like, there's no natural lighting. These are just sprites. So when I put him on the teetering right now for testing purposes, but what he's supposed to do is teetering for a second and then punching you back. So you almost need to like deke properly to actually hit him. Like that was forever. That took me way too long. But I got to a state where it's consistent, right? So I'm going for consistency first. That's really impressive if you built all the lighting. I was all sprites, right? So if you go into the main thing, so this is just me messing around with the color blinding and then the walls and all that. You'll notice that they're all sprites. They're all sprites, right? Any limits for frames? For your punching, ideally anywhere between 3 and 7. So big, yeah. Thanks. No, I'm very excited. I'm learning a lot. But yeah, it's. I don't know. I don't know. I'm still pretty new at. I'm still pretty new at this stuff, so I'm trying. I think it's cool though. All right, let's do this here. We'll go to UI. Yeah, I like it though. Yeah, exactly. Oh. Yeah, but still, thank you very much. You're amazing, Val. I really, I really do love your work. Whitey, you gosh darn charmer. Thank you so much. Yeah, sorry about no, it's okay. Noble, it's okay. It made me honestly, it's probably for the best, right? Because it allowed me to build the system where I can. So what I did was I made instead of saying like so the way I built the programming of it is it's all based on sprite sheets, so I can mess around with the timings a little nicer. But when it came to the hit frame, yeah, it's one of the most important frames, that and blocking. So yeah, it's you're forcing me to become better at this, right? So down the road, Noble, I mean, if I have a similar problem, I'll know how to deal with it a lot quicker. I'm gonna go study the exams. Hey, no worries, buddy. Take care of yourself, big man. All right, so what I'll do here, but that's also what I wanted to do. Like, this is I really like it. I think it's funny that I've used a couple of engines that are not 3D, but I've been doing 3D, like a small game builder. I used like even general. Guilty frame boys. There we go. You framed them. Yeah, you framed me, guys. All right, so we'll do this. We'll see what's up here. Oh, you know what I should you know what I should do? There we go. Everyone's like, wow, I bought really favoring this character, eh? I'm like, it wasn't my intention. All right, so we're gonna go backing. Ba 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 ba. I'm guilty for more guys. Don't you guys worry about it. You guys are perfect. All right. All right. The way I want this to work is like just sneak it in there. There we go. That's ideally what I'd like. With the text name, I'll probably make them smaller because I know we have a lot of different names here. And I think we went with impact for now, but I'll have to choose a better one later. All right, give me a second here. Pick up snap the grid. All right. Okay, so whatever reason that's not acting the way we want it to, which is a little odd, but that's okay. Keeps me going. Ba 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 ba. There we go. All right, so we go main. We'll see what this looks like. Ooh, okay. Okay. What are your thoughts, guys? Too big? Like, I guess we can't really see with him, right? So let's go to. Why do you thank you very much for the host? I think we could. Yeah, I think we're gonna shrink it in a little bit more, so it doesn't. Yeah. Okay. I get. I get. I see. I see. I see. I see it, guys. All right. I see it. All right. Beautiful. Just beautiful. All right. Bring it in there. Coffee break, poetic for you. Let's do this. Is it okay to use only one layer when you're making your boxer? Or yeah, no, you do as long. Yeah, man, you can do what you want. I'm gonna be flattening them anyways, so don't be worried about that. It's right where your web. Oh, all right. How does that look? Let me throw in an engine here, or sorry, the main character. Do you just want the sprite file, or do you want either whatever is most convenient for you? Um, if you say I'd rather the A sprite file because then I can just convert it to exactly to what I need. But there we go. What are your thoughts, guys? It has a feel to it, right? Okay, she's gonna knock me out, so you just enjoy. Lifeblood. I think I'm gonna move the text down a little bit, but overall it has a nice feel to it. Yeah, I think it looks really good. And then I'm gonna have another image here of the main character because we have to do on the edge, on the edge. You know what I mean? So I think that'll look good. All right, let me just do this, and then I'm gonna go on a coffee break. All right, 1 second here. All right, well, should we just go middle on this? Bold, top, center. Okay, center. If we go, yeah, there we go. All right. Okay, if you guys are happy with it, I'm happy with it. One thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change this around. Is it size or position? It's size. He says, not knowing fully well, actually. Yeah, never mind. I'll do it when we get back. All right, because I want another one over here for the player, but I'll deal with that after. Kind of fighters need to stay on the edge, be sharp, and get exactly. All right, I'll be back in 1 second. Wind, you're in charge. And I'm back, ladies and gentlemen, to another exciting boxing match. See, what I wanted to do if I had more time, I wanted to do like a narrator thing. Like, I really wanted to do it like, I was just going to say White Belt drowned in the coffee. I'm back. I'm back. I was like, I wanted to call it like Blobby Boy Boxing. Da 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 da. He's back, ladies and gentlemen. Addy, that's what I need to do. Harrow, Lone, Rory the Cat, Blubbo, begin. In my 5 years of you know what I mean? I just wanted to have that announcing. Yeah, we gotta work on that one though. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited. All right, let's make this UI look good here, so you guys can stop teasing me. All right. How dare? I'm just saying, guys. It would have been hilarious. I don't know. Maybe I don't know, guys. There's always gonna be another game announcing Manapan. Shiva. Yeah, that was like the hardest one here. All right. So what I think I'm gonna do? Let me draw the character first. Let me draw blow blow. Because I want the same effect that you get when you hit someone that you get hit. So should we do that now? I think so. All right. Yeah, because then I can test it out. It would be very funny, and I would like to hear it. It would be hilarious. All right, let's get the mask. I'm only one guy though. All right, we got mask here. Okay. I'm trying to get everything in the game as much as I can before I add new stuff. So no one gets mad at me and says, wow, my character's not in this game, but you spent all this time building masks and all that. And then I let people down. No, not like a, yeah. No, not would like it. Would love and want it. Is that what you guys want? Announcers, or we're talking like the yeah, a text to speech thing? I don't even know how to set that. It's Nate the Sound Ninjas department, all right? All right. Need to learn sound. Yeah, it's I just need to learn everything, guys. I know. I'm sorry. Well, like again, that's I guess that's kind of one of the really cool things if we can actually do the Kickstarter, right? Like it would be really cool to just focus on game dev and not have to like yeah, we just like geek out and all that. I don't know. It'd be cool. It would be cool. Mampan means small bun bread. I like that because Shiba Inus look like bread. They do. How many hours of renting your sound? How much for renting your Sound Ninja for a few hours? That's their. That's Nate the Sound Ninja. He volunteered for this jam game though. I was just like, I'm like, buddy, you're busy. You got already a lot going on. He's like, I want to be part of this. I'm like, all right, man. I'm not gonna say no. Music is probably my weak point. Like if it wasn't for that brave soul, I don't even think Captain Carrot would have music. I don't think Captain Carrot would have music. What's this? This is gonna be the player's avatar. This is what the player looks like. So when you hit them, you know how they get rocked back and forth? Well, it's the same thing for when you get hit, right? So I'm doing the UI so we can start testing the back and forth of it all. Is struggling win? Why are you struggling? Don't overthink it. It's supposed to be just a whatever fun thing. Don't you be overthinking it. Guys, the joke has been achieved. All the jokes. Wait, so masks will be added, or is it? It's just gonna be default monkey. It'll be the default bunny for now. Just because I don't want just a blob. But when you'll notice that I'm also leaving some leeway here, so if we do move forward on the mask on Friday, everything's already in place. So no background music today. Yeah, I was having a problem with my sound this morning. It's actually why the stream started a little later today. I don't know why it sounded like everything's underwater. I don't know if I have to update something, but I don't know. I've been like streaming and showing the boxing game, it's really slowed down my computer. If I'm gonna start making more bigger games, I might have to update my computer soon. He didn't see the joke? Lifeblood, what did I miss? You guys, the joke has been achieved. Wait, hold on. You could say I'm the lifeblood of this operation. I like it. Also, Lifeblood, would you like to see your character in game? All right, did I duplicate this? I didn't duplicate this. All right. I'm gonna clone it. I will call this player head. Player head. All right, and then we will, yeah, because eventually we'll change all these as well. If we do go ahead on the mask system. How should we make this look here? We'll just go like this. There we go. So it'll be like this. There we go. We'll call this, I don't know. Goes zero mask for now. I could always play stream beats. I was trying to all music is messed up. Like I even tried to listen to YouTube videos like this morning, and even all that is like slow. That's why I think it has something to do with my my sound card. I saw load done right. You did. Yeah. We'll go here. We'll add this to the top. Okay, I don't think we really need. Well, put it up here for now. But if we go to main, let me show you. Let me show you guys for those who haven't seen it. Or maybe I think you posted it. Yeah, I posted it on Twitter. Which is weird, Horse Dev. I haven't gotten your submission yet, which is weird. Hey everybody, look. Well, why are you being sorry? It's a lovely character, bruh. I knew it. I knew I was going into that punch. Okay, hold on here. I will say that Noble Lemon's character is one of the harder ones for me right now because I have a lot of the timings down pat, but Noble's I don't. All right. Yeah, I gotta. Okay, maybe I'll fix that after, but I want to really work on the UI right now. From loan to exactly. Loan is gone. Yeah, I really like how it looks too. I don't know. We're getting there. It's getting there. So we have our charge here. Next thing we got to do is we got to do the out off the edge though, which is the whole point of this jam. Loan and loanlets. I mean, oh my god. Guys, this will not be the only game I make. I assure you, I am very desperately thinking of. I'm honestly thinking about adding Carrot Cart Racing to the Kickstarter. If you guys are legit interested in that, to being a Kickstarter, I don't know. Yeah, I messed up. That's okay. I'll fix it up. Yeah, I think it needs to be a little bigger anyway. So oh yeah, we forgot Lifeblood. Let's look at you. Oh, your Lifeblood's in here. Don't you worry about that. Hold on, hold on. We were gonna look, and then I got distracted, guys. All right, Lifeblood. Check it out. Check it out. Maybe do Captain Carrot first. Yeah, exactly about that. Boom, right there. We got the name and everything. Look how happy he is. All right. I will say giving him a double punch was probably one of the hardest decisions I had to go with. I was just trying to make it fair. Showing my laugh, I got distracted for real. Exactly. That's that double punch, man. You gotta always keep. Oh my god! Because if you mess up, they push you back twice, right? All right, hold on here. There we go. What's up? Oh, what is that? So the hard thing about Bo, let me share. Redo Chem Care from scratch 4 times, acquire experience, cry, redo it once again, profit. Exactly. Lolo, see the hard thing about your character, and I guess right now it doesn't work right now because I've updated some things. Oh, he's gonna be knocked out. But you can lose. Exactly. So your character when they're on the ropes is really quick. So they jump back to that punch really quickly. So that's his strat right now is that you basically have to punch him on the edges and then block twice or avoid twice. I mean, but you lose. Yeah. All right. Okay. Why does he float when he loses? What do you mean? Oh, do you mean when I kick someone over the edge? Because I think visually it looks great. I think it's cute because I want a sound effect like you launch them into it. That is literally it was because I think it looks cute. Meh. Want to hear all the strats? I haven't thought of all the perfect strats yet. I haven't played against your guy perfectly yet. I have been mainly so what I've been doing is I'm testing to make sure do they work, and then when they do they all like do I register the hit? Can they defeat me? Yes. Can they register my hits? Can I defeat them? Yes. And then I move on. Oh, we said stats, not strats. Oh, the stats. Okay, so I haven't polished all the stats yet. Remember, it's still a work in progress, guys. What I've been normally doing for smaller ones, they have less of a weight and a faster punch. For the bigger guys, they normally have 2 punches and they have a longer wait. For now. That's literally just for now, guys. I'm going to test it out when all the enemies are in there, and I can really start polishing it and finding out when I have all the enemies to see who needs what strat to kind of fill out what space. Pandaberry, hey, finished my game after. Really? What was it? What was the strat? A slow punch looks like a handshake. I'm gonna fix it, guys. That's what Friday's all about, guys. Friday will be the polishing day. People will be able to fight and you know, cut their teeth and learn. It's a generic horror game. Generic horror game. Well, what's the main character like? It's like, you know, right now we're at the phase of building everything, not at polishing it all yet. Yeah, it's like a Canadian folklore called. Oh, isn't that the? I think I've heard of it, but. So, what made you want to? How did you finish it after doing nothing? What do you mean? Like that was your whole focus? Low special attack, be him spinning around with the sword. You got to duck out of it. I'm not doing anything that advanced, guys. It is a very, very simple game. White ball, read my idea. Oh, okay, hold on for a second here. I would like it if in a different update there would be a special attack for every character, and maybe after you win against them, you could take the special attack. You want me to make this a full game? Is that what I'm hearing, guys? Just throw CC to the win and just make a fighting boxing game. Like, this is what I do now. This is what I do. Oh my god. Ugh. See, I knew it, guys. I knew I shouldn't have made a game jam game. White ball made no, it wasn't what. Finish Captain Carrot after Captain Carrot. Understood. Oh my god. You know, I blame myself for going. I go too hard on these game jam games. My dude can jump into a car and must hunt her down in your car and beat her at poker. Okay, just keep in mind for when you are less busy, it's a good idea for a game. I think so. Yeah, I'm not saying full game, but you know, it would be fun. Yeah. See, like I said, all right, all right. After Captain Care, understandable. Yeah, we'll get there. We'll get there. Keep in mind, if we do the Kickstarter too, that means I have more time to work in games as well, which is just huge, to be honest. Like, I can't even fathom that, but. What's this about throwing Captain Carrot to me? Oh my god. Throwing Captain Carrot to the wind. Oh my god. I just got it. Boo. Boo on you, Wind. Boo on you. Boo. Alright, we're gonna soften the edges if you're wondering what we're doing here. Could just be a minigame. Yeah, yeah. Well, okay. I thought about making kart racing a minigame in Captain Carrot because I think it'd be fun. There we go. I like how that looks. Yeah, because the way I wanted to like peekaboo. Ooh, okay, hold on. I wanted to peekaboo out here, so you know you're on the edge. So we'll go like this, and then we'll go like this. All right, we'll change the glove color to blue. What? Oh, okay. There we go. What about like what about this is a mini game in General General? Oh my god! How about we make the main games first? Fun fact: Chem Carrot is a game inside General General. This is true. All right. Oh man! All right, all right, all right, all right. Let me do here. Let me do this here. Okay. We'll go Sprite. I'll say on the edge. There we go. Chem Carrot is a TV show. True. But they also probably have games, guys. It is basically Captain Carrot is a Saturday morning cartoon in the General universe. So the way we view it is very similar to like how we probably view the Power Rangers. What's your games and shows? All right. On the edge. Okay, we'll call this there. We'll go on the edge. We'll call this AI. We'll duplicate this and we'll call it player. And then we will ba 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 ba. All right, let's line this up just right. All right. Okay, because we made it big. I keep forgetting we made it big. All right. On the edge. All right. Oh, all right. That's essentially where we want it to end, right? Sorry, Val, I couldn't resist. It's a bad habit from the other community. I mean, that's okay. Should it come out here or should it be at the bottom? I feel like coming out here has more of a presence, so never mind. Okay, so what I'll need to do here is player. Okay, let me see how that looks. So we'll go here. We'll make this bottom. Okay, let's see what it looks like in engine. He's on the edge. Yeah, I think that looks good. Okay. Yeah, I would like to pop out. Yeah, it's gonna pop out. So when you knock them on the edge, when for example, it's gonna be here, and then you knock them on the edge, it goes like it's just gonna poof out here. Is the first line? Yeah, it's an idle one. Yeah, yeah, like it slides in. Yeah, it's gonna pop out like a punch there, pickaxe. Okay, so okay, let me get my numbers in here right. Position in here because this has to be perfect. All right, position. This is the end position, and then okay, well, okay. Let me not get okay. Yeah, it is though. Wind. Yeah. All right. I'm getting ahead of myself. Let me do one at a time. So okay. Instance. We're gonna call this. We'll call this player. It'll just be a boolean here. So okay. So this is the player one. This is not the player one. Okay, and then we'll add the behavior of a tween. Hitachi! Good day, sir. How are you? All right, so we're going to just do one first. So this is the end results, and this is the first result. So this is where we want it to end up. And then this is where we want it to. I guess it could hide here, eh? Like there's no point me going all the way back in here. So we'll go here. And then there we go. So, all right. And they're both 74. All right. So let's, okay. That's okay. Okay. I got to get the relationship. So yeah, here we go. So it says on knockout, so you're going to send the victory. Okay. So if Punch Out is on screen and is on frame, animation boxer frame. Okay, I'm getting ahead of myself. So if Punch is down, if this is on here, okay. Set enable here. And then what we'll do on here, I think this, if player cube is greater than, there should be player cube. Yeah. So what we'll do here. Okay, I'm getting a little ahead of myself here, but finally said hi. What do you mean? I said hi. Oh, you mean back to you? Yeah, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna say we'll add a variable here. So we'll say global variable. We're gonna call it on the edge. So it's normally going to be 0, but when it's on the edge, there we go. So that's how we'll do it here. So we'll say on the edge. Set value to on the edge to 1. Okay, on the edge. Okay, so how are we going to do this then? So Wednesday online versus mode? No. Oh my god, Lifeblood, really? Really? How about player 2? Guys, how about I finish this game for the game jam? Else 0. Okay, so we'll do this on the edge 0. Okay, how are we going to do? Okay. Ugh. I'm overthinking this. Okay. Okay, we're gonna call this on the edge. Okay, we'll say player on the edge. That's how we're gonna do it. We'll just make it a Boolean. That's how we'll do this here. We'll say on the edge. Yeah, it's probably the best way here. So player on the edge will be a Boolean, and then we'll do AI on the edge. It's not pretty, but it should work. All right. Yay, out of the way. Exactly. Atachi, how are you in this wonderful day, my friend? Okay, so we'll say on if player is greater than, yeah, okay. Okay, we'll set Boolean to player on the edge, else to true, otherwise false. And that's all we have to do on that one. Then we'll do the same thing to everybody's favorite enemy. Player punch, player punch. Okay. Cube AI, there we go. So this is what we'll do here. So it should be, we'll go AI on the edge. Otherwise, to false. All right, so that should be it. Let's save it. Watches, that just means your character's gonna be ready, Wind. It's gonna be ready. All right, so we have our okay, we have all that working now. Okay, at the top here, when nobody's looking, we're gonna do the on the edge stuff here. So, ba 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 da da da. Why did he choose that theme on the edge when you could have said just boxing? Just do boxing. Yo, what's up there, Pixels? How is my favorite cybernetic being? What project are you working on these days? All right, on the edge UI. All right, so now we just got to go back here. So we'll say, I think we did the Boolean is set. AI is on the edge. There we go. And I think we already. Ba, 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 ba. There we go. On the edge, and we'll compare Boolean on this. If Boolean is set as player and they're not player, there we go. Ba, 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 ba. All right, so now we're getting into a tween one property. There we go. We're gonna call it AI. Yes, because I don't want to name it anything else. End value 614.16. I'm just gonna get rid of that gibberish. Animation we'll do 1. Yes. Is that traveled or is that end result though? Yeah, that's end result. I think it is. All right. So otherwise, I don't know. This is gonna be broken or it's gonna work perfectly. I don't know. Okay. We're on a journey together. All right. Okay. So if AI is on the edge, set yes. Else no. Okay. We'll try it. We'll try it together. We got to choose the easiest opponent to choose right now, which is, of course, please be the right one. Nope, I chose the wrong one. I chose the wrong one. All right, easiest opponent. Here we go. No! All right, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I still got to build my own characters in here. All right. Boom. Boom. Okay, don't even worry about this right now, guys. We're not out here there. We're not putting on the player yet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He's on the edge and it's not going. I'm upset about this. All right. So why are you not, though? So AI is on the edge. Oh, all right. All right. We will make this look beautiful, guys. Yeah, so it should be. Okay, if, I don't know, we'll say if it is less or equal to, if we say it is greater than. Just get rid of the else thing because who needs else's? Trigger once should be okay. Save maybe? You don't know me, Nightbot, alright? Alright. It could be because Big Hair Bobby is not working like the other ones, though. Mutzi, my friend, how are you? How you been? What's new in the zoo with you? All right, if we go over on, yeah, it's supposed to be Do I have a higher red? So it should be okay. Be about here. So it'd be less than 880. It's supposed to be that way. Yeah. Set on it. Okay. Matzi, no. All right. So we go. Okay. All right. Let's just say no to this one. All right. We'll just say no false. I can't spell money. That's okay. Spelling. Nobody. Spelling, smelling. Am I right? Yo, Nutella foil. All right. It's supposed to be here, and it's not. And I don't know why. Okay, let's try someone else. Maybe, because like I said, Bobby is a little broken. Spelling more like smelling. Exactly. All right, let's go here. Maybe I'll get knocked out. We'll see. Maybe we got it messed up. There's a Matzi yes comment. Yes, there is. All right, let's get knocked out. Let's see if it comes out then. But all right, what do we got here? What do we got here? What do you got? Okay, one more hit. It's supposed to come out on his end though. No, I don't know. All right. Because he's supposed to be shaking AI on the edge, right? Otherwise, if he's lower than that, it's supposed to be, I don't know, let's go greater than. Matzi, how are you in this wonderful day, my friend? So less or equal to. So we go greater than, let's go, I don't know, man, just 875, you know? Set AI to trigger. AI on edge, false. AI on trigger, true. All right. So on the edge, AI on trigger, yes. Okay, we'll get rid of this for now. I think he's really in his boxing thing. Don right. You hit him so hard he clips out of the ring. Exactly. Wait, what did I miss? What did I say? Oh, hi, Monty. Yeah, buddy. Focus into boxing. Let's go. See, it's supposed to be showing up right now. I'm doing all right. Got to get on them phone calls. No worries, Monty. Yeah, here is where I want it to show up. All right. So what we'll do here, let's go to the HUD. I think we have the same boxing logic, right? So is it not sprite sheet number 1 should be the main language of everything? All right. Well, all right. All right. Let's see why this is going all weird on me. Okay, I think I have an idea. Is it okay to run it by you first, Vault? See, yeah, of course, buddy. I want to stop by. Well, Matzi, it's always a good time seeing you. Vault worked so hard. You had to skip. Got it. Exactly. I was so out on Sunday. I had to I pulled an all-nighter. Like my brain was frazzled, guys. But I caught up on a huge chunk of my commission, so I was like, yay! I was happy. So why is this, for the love of me, not working? What if we go like this? All right, let's hit him out. If he still doesn't move, then I don't know what's going on here. A frazzled McDazzled. Exactly. All right. You know what we're going to do? We're just going to do... Okay. Why are you not working? Don't forget to install a VPN because understood? Understood? Why isn't this working? Give me tips on how to finish commissions on time. You're supposed to do, I think they say focus on 25% of it out the back. And then as the days go on, just focus on about 5 to 10% until the commission's supposed to be over. The problem is I took a lot of commissions to catch up on some bills, so I think I took on a lot of commissions, which normally is okay. But then what happened to Kafka, right? So I didn't have the same heart I did to work on as many commissions as I normally was able to do. Okay, instead of a tween behavior, I feel like the tween should be working though. All right, okay, how about we just say this? We'll do a testing purpose first. I'll say if buttons on pressed, we'll go, I don't know, Z on, and then we'll say if this is, I don't know, man. And we'll say C, or X, I mean. Z and X. All right, we'll see why these aren't working, and we'll get to the bottom of it. Exactly. All right. So it's still not moving. It's not. Why aren't you moving then? All right. It says you're supposed to be moving. Event sheet 1, yes. Snap to grid. Oh, what if? Hold on here. Hold on. I think no, this probably won't work, but. Ba, 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 ba. Oh my god, it still doesn't move. All right. I DM'd you on Discord. Let me know if that's gonna work or not. Let me see. Let me see, buddy. Yeah, that's. I think it's perfect, buddy. I think it's perfect. Yeah, I should change him. True. Yeah, I should charge him before working on the commissions, but I guess Buddy Stick. That would amplify my work ethic, I guess, because otherwise, yeah, exactly. I'm curious now. Do you want me to show them, or do you want it to be a surprise? Okay, so what I'll do here. No, it's a secret. Okay, okay. Yo, all right, all right, all right. So what I'll do here is we'll get rid of the tween behavior, because I hate it, and we're never gonna talk of it ever again. It was supposed to be beautiful, but then they destroyed it. So I'm gonna do the move to behavior, which is my least favorite. Well, I have more so than my tween here. So we'll say set angles. Okay, we're just gonna get if this is the end result. I guess I could just. Okay, we'll press Z. All right, we'll just. I'm questioning though, right? So it's like. Because I was kind of expecting it to work, right? So. Okay, so a boss on. All right, so I'll just press Z. Boss on. Let's move left. That's what we'll do here. That's probably the biggest trick I can do here right now. We'll see, because we don't know how to get it to work until we do it, right? Get that bug. We got to. We got to. Yeah, you got to ask for some money up front. Exactly. Helps get that money done. And then Atashi, you can finally get that diamond jacuzzi you want. Wait, did you miss the one of my messages? I don't believe so. You said hey to Matzi, and then I think you said, oh, there's a Matzi yes emote, and you posted some more of your drawings. Oh. Oh, I was looking fan art. Yes. The pink one, I like it a lot. What's the story behind there? Prepaid, open the gates, let's go. Okay, so okay. We're gonna move to. All right, we're going to move to position, which will be self dot x plus. Actually, since it's in a HUD, hold on, it'll be 614, and then this will be 74. And then otherwise, this could work. If this works, I have a lot more respect for the move to behavior. 089. All right. So we'll just go Z and X is our only focus right now. Okay. What are you gonna do with Jacuzzi? Exactly. There we go. All right. Oh man, what a day to be alive. There we go. All right. All right. Okay. It needs to come out a little. I think it needs to come out quicker. Because that's lame. Speed 1,000. Really? That's your 1,000? That's you. That's you. I hate to criticize you, but that's lame. How many fighters are you planning on adding this game? Depends on how many I get submitted. To be honest, I'm as long as it's submitted by Saturday, I'm okay with adding like double. I feel like it's a nice little punch though to it. Maybe a little faster because we already have 12, and I still have to finish mine as well. Okay, I don't know. We'll go like maybe that was the issue here. There we go. Has a nice feel to it. All right, so let's key that up to again. All right, this is we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Oh, wow. That's not a good start, is it? That's not a good start at all. Okay, so what we'll do is on created. On created, if this and we'll just have it to like, I don't know, set position right to it. So it should stay right on the start. It should just move us where we need it to go. There we go. So it's hidden. So we go left, we go right, left, right, left, and right. Come on, man. Oh, oh, I love game dev. I love game dev. I love game dev. We'll say maybe that was the issue. If not on the edge, okay, let's try it again. Wah, wah. You're back in the military. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Exactly. There we go. Boom. Ooh. What a day to be alive. Now, I have a question, all right? And honestly, don't get mad at me we're doing this, okay? It's a little controversial. It's a little weird, all right? I get it. Maybe that's not how you were raised. Maybe that's not what you know, I get it, but let's have this conversation. What if we add the world's smallest little like a little just one of these little things, you know, a little shake. A little shake. What are your thoughts? Okay, disregard this one because it's obviously in the wrong HUD here. So we're just gonna move this guy over here. Just a little, as the kids say, a little juice. You know, we're like, oh. In that moment, I forgot how to play my own game. There we go. Left, right, left. I got to do some polishing stuff as well, but I'm gonna do that probably tomorrow-ish, Friday-ish. I do have tomorrow's pretty busy for me already, but there we go. What are your thoughts, guys? Love it. All right. Okay. So next thing we got to do, we got to finally give it so if they're overlapping that number, they give me a pushback. Okay, so let's go here. We'll go. I think it was 8 something, right? That was the thing we're looking for. Okay, let's make it so they're no longer hanging on the edge and they're pushing you back. It's time for them to finally get good. Did you realize I made it through half a week again? Let's go, Poetic. I forgot today was Wednesday in my head. I was like, what? Okay, so they're on the edge. So okay, so if you're overlapping the cube and you're not moving, okay. I want to do okay, if you're on the edge and you're comparing your instance variable, your state is not KO, or is it out? Yeah, it's not out. There we go. If you're overlapping, you're gonna have your knockout animation, and then you're gonna punch back. So now it's gonna be a little back and forth. Dire Games, we're getting the whole band back together today. Jeez, how are ya? All right, now the match we've been waiting for. All right, who are we gonna take on? We're gonna go blah blah. Let's do it. All right. He's pretty hard against the. Okay. So I made it so he punches you back if you if you punch him. Yeah. I accidentally made him like a really hard character. Yeah, I don't know why, but pickaxe. I just thought like he's got to be one of the harder ones here. All right, give me a second here. He's a hard opponent. Ha! Ha! Oh. There we go. There we go. What's up? Oh, he's not coming back in. So if he pushes me back. There, we're back now. We're back. Okay. Push. 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 He's on the edge. There we go. There we go. Yep. He's a little too OP. So he has that weird deke thing if you don't know he's on the edge or not. So it messes with me each and every time. Okay, by the way, I sent you. Yes, I saw it. We're talking the one yesterday, right? Oh, I sent you the character's name. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Oh, that's good. Okay, that feels good. So let's do the same for our character over here, and then we'll do. So the way I want it to do is that I want when you're charging to almost be like a Dragon Ball Z like getting energy, but I also think if we're going to do more of a natural gauging of your power thing, maybe that won't be really required anymore. I was it strutting? I was strutting so bad. I'm editing out. What do you mean, Wind? All right, so we have that one. I think that looks good. So all we have to do is the exact same thing, but in reverse. Knockout animation, when does that happen? So the knockout animation is normally when you're against the wires. It used to be a knockout system there, Pet. But now it's implemented through diversifying kind of when you get hit. Or for against the I've kind of worked it in so you'll see it mostly when you're kicked out of the ring. But because of how far you are, sometimes it's not made out as clearly. Yeah. I think Friday will be the little thing to like be able to fix animations, but overall, I think it's doing the job, right? Okay, so let's. Okay, this is the end result. What we want. So. Okay, same thing with this guy. Okay. Just give me a second here. Make this look good. All right. Ba 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 da 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 da. Because for whatever, like, he's still doing that whole when they launch you in the air, they're kicking you back, which I think is kind of weird. But it's something I'm working on, so. Ba, 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 ba. Let's bring that into 5, and then we should be able to just fix it now from as is. Okay, if we bring this up to the top. There we go. So we're just going to copy and paste all this. We're going to just alternate. Instead of this being it, it'll be player on the edge. Instead of boss is player. Let me just go in order. Move to should be 240 by 75. That should be the same thing. And this should be player. Again, is it the prettiest? No. Like if this was gonna be a full game, I'd probably go and reprogram a lot of this stuff. But I think for now, I've gotten pretty far into it already, so I don't know. Pretty happy about it. As player, we're gonna set position to 47. Okay. We'll see. We'll see what it looks like. We'll try it out here. I need someone who can actually like beat me up on this, so we'll bring in the heavy guns. I think Lifeblood's character is consistent. I gotta polish some more. Got 1 hit, 2 hits. All right, I'm on the edge. I also want the camera to pan back a little bit more, but I'm on the edge and I'm alternating for whatever reason. That's weird, but that's okay. What? All right, hold on here. Move to. Okay, I don't have the same logic for this. Okay, so it's angle. Okay, that's what. Yeah. I was like, wait a second here. So we got whatever we got here. We got 0.3 and 2. All right. Yeah, I was like, wait a minute. Okay. Yeah, another thing I'm gonna probably do, I'll fix the camera right now because I think it is a little too intimate when you're against the wall. Yeah, way too intimate when you're on your edge because you have to be able to see what's going on as well. So players take back. We're gonna bring back the camera. I had it at 35 before. But when you start going back and forth, the camera does get a little messed up a little. So I think it'll be easier as long as you demolish the character or that you let them demolish them. You know, then the camera's okay. All right, let's get poetic characters besting us a little bit today. Yeah, I also have to do a ready. See, there we go. The camera's back a little bit nicer. On the edge is out there. Okay, what if I knock back out? There we go. So if I push us back, does it turn off? Yes, it does. Oh my god, I'm so happy right now. One more punch. There we go. And yeah, so the camera just pans in a little nicer, I think. Okay, so we're pretty good with that. Okay. We have the on the edge now working. We have that boy. We're gonna change that to a font. Okay, let's think about this. You should make that a Discord channel. Submit all your characters just so other people could look at your characters. Because I think I would like to see some animations of the characters I didn't get to see. Oh, of course. Yeah. I was just worried because we have a lot of Discord channels, but yeah, I can probably post it in there as well. Motzi's longtime relative. He looks just like this Tower Games. When you beat opponents to 0 health, yeah. I think I should probably bring the audience members out a little bit more. We have them. Okay. We can key up the super punch, or we can add the ref. What do you guys think we should start next? Should we? You guys want to do the ref, or should we just finalize the super punch? Yeah, I love the way you made it look. The fighter, okay. What fighter? No, that wasn't on the option. That wasn't on the option. Friday's gonna be the big day where we get to tool and polish everybody. Suit punch, yeah, we'll go to the suit punch. Okay. I also gotta do a ready set go, but I can do that later. Boom. All right, hold on here. Hold on here. Come on. Did I hear soup? Who? Of course. All right, hold up, hold up. Think you're so cocky with your block. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, your double punch? Not today, sir. Yeah. Let's go. All right, see if I can zoom in my super punch here. Over 1,000. Oh, okay. Hold on here. Super punch. Let's go. All right. The super punch is janky. I gotta fix it, obviously. But I still like how everything else works because the super punch is gonna go up here. Let me fix that up now, and then we can move on. Yeah. Okay. He's getting his punches in, right? All right. We'll do this. One thing I will do is I'll make the more of a brown. Yeah. Always a soup. Yeah, it has more of a natural look into it. I don't like this font for it, obviously, but I think for now it works. Okay. I'll have to make something for the super punch. I feel like I should really be doing the tutorial though. Okay, you know what I'll do? How much time do we have? We still have about an hour. Yeah, okay. Hour or so. We'll do the I don't know, guys. Should we do the ref or should we do the tutorial? I'm leaving it to you guys on this one. All right, Bunny. What can I say? I sound stupid. Yeah, the ref cat. Ref. All right. Yeah. All right. Because we still have 5 days. We have 4 days and 20 hours, so I should be okay. All right. Because I have tutorial I want to do, finalize the super punch, add new enemies, and the tutorial. I think those are it. I think if I'm probably gonna get rid of the mask system, even though I don't want to. I feel like with just time and systems involved, like I have to. You know what I mean? I got to have that awkward conversation. All right, we'll move these back a little bit so it doesn't look so weird when you get knocked out and nobody's watching. What's my favorite soup? Clam chowder. Pumpkin for me. Yo. All right, we have that. Okay, save. Okay, let's do the ref. It's just gonna be ridiculous. All right. Oh my god. You know what we should even do? We'll have like no. I was gonna have the ref always like looking at you, but that's creepy after a while. Especially if no one else is doing that. Nope. Alright, I want him about here. Evil for ref? Let's go. Let's go. I would like to. But I was gonna do Vimlark, because it's his jam. No, Vim's gotta be the ref. He's gotta be. I was gonna have Reaper from Reaper Repeat, but I was gonna have Velma on the other side over here, for gonna be the I know there's an official word for it. But the what do they call the cards when they tell you the round it is? So that's kind of how I view it. All right. Yeah. Okay, the ref is done. Oh yeah? Yeah, I think Vim fits the recipe. Yeah, it should be all right. We'll do Vimlark in well this is the Vimlark I have originally, but I think we can do something else. Something a little different. I'm going to use that as my influence, but we're going to keep it similar to the style we currently have. Cuz that is my BRB games style, right? Mr. Bald himself, yeah. Can you imagine? I'll just draw myself in this game one day, and you just will never know. Yeah. All right. So we'll do like number 1 or like I don't know. Why? When you draw Vimlark's monkey, you make his skin also blue. What do you mean? Yeah, I made his monkey blue. I just thought it looked cool. I just thought visually it looked cool because with its original color, it kind of took away from Vimlark's aesthetic. So I thought just making it just monochromatic adds to it. White ball. Yeah, I'll be the final boss, guys. Right? Bunny Stick, Cup of Joe actually helped me out. Cup of Joe and I actually made a little birthday gift for the one and only Vimlark for his birthday. Like this other sprite over here. This was my version of Vimlark, and that was Cup of Joe's version. I'm very impressed with you fitting the monkey in such a small shirt. Exactly. I was just happy about it. I like it a lot. Make the final boss a cute puppy. I have to get time to do these things. My main focus is getting the game working and then making sure I have a tutorial, and then I'll see if I'll be lucky enough to add more characters into it. I don't know. I'm worried that I am worried I overscoped a little too much. But I think as long as I keep my head down, I should be okay. Man, I'm getting gifted subs on streams I've never been to. Yeah, that happens sometimes. They just go random. What can I say, Itachi? You're a hot commodity. All right, let's be honest. You're a talented artist. People want you in their streams. All right. I admire anyone who could draw small but still recognizable. It's hard, man. But that's also like why I like pixel art, right? Like, it's gotta, it's difficult, but I also really like the visuals of it. All right, let's get his. He's got like shaved hair now on the sides of his head. You can disable gift styles from streams you don't follow. Does it happen that consistently on Nutel file? I got a gifted. I got a sub to some weird safe dude. Yeah, sounds weird, man. What type of stuff does he stream? I would have submitted a character, but 35 by 35 is way out of my metal, you know? Yeah, well, it's just for a small little thing. But I could have done it for you, buddy. If you would have gave me a sprite, I would have done it for you if you needed me. All right, let's get him. I was gonna do a blue monkey as a ref, but I don't know. I thought just having Vimlark in it. I don't know. What are your guys' thoughts? I mean, I got gifted sub to like 3 streams that I only clicked on once. I disabled him because I'd rather someone in the community. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, yeah. Vim's fine. Yeah, follow your heart. Vimlark is a good reference. I think it should be all right. Plus, it is his jam, right? I feel like he'd be sad if I didn't draw Vimlark in his own game. You're like, bruh, it's my jam, and you didn't even put me in my own. Like, I'm sorry, Vimlark. All right. Will you continue the game after the jam? I don't know, Pickaxe. I gotta have a serious conversation. Um, I don't know, man. I don't know. I want to, but like, I don't know, man. I don't know. I got a problem. I got a problem. I think my main focus is gonna be on the Kickstarter first and foremost. Because I like the game, it's pretty nice. Yeah, I'd like to add more to it. Pickaxe, would you rather this or a cart game, right? Like I don't know, man. I don't know. This is tough. I didn't think I was gonna enjoy 3D as much as I did in Construct. So, what's the point of examining gifts if you see nice emotes? That's true. One game at a time. So true. So true. You'll thank yourself. That's true. Probably This I'm not too much of a fan of racing games. No, and nothing wrong with that, buddy. I don't know. I really like the 3D. I really wasn't expecting I was gonna like it this much, but I don't know, man. Good conversation to us to have later on, I guess. Like if there's janky breaking thing, I'll be obviously working on it. Like I'm not going to delete this game or anything. And I like the DP of making sprites. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I think it's. I really like it. It kind of adds to the OC Friday. It would be neat if we could find a way to like incorporate it in the BRB game. You know what I mean? Okay, I'm finally in business. Like it would be neat. It would be neat. But I don't know. Ba, 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 da, da, da. You missed a good opportunity, by the way, to name a character after me, and then when it was my turn in the ring, the crowd would go shout my name, Itachi. Ooh, so true, so true.